Unit 22. The sounds ch and j. To make the sound ch, place the center of your tongue on your palate, stop the air completely, then release it abruptly with a voiceless sound. Read the examples on page 90 as you repeat them after the speaker.
Chase, chance, reaching, lunch, lunches, reached, catch, catching, catches, watched, question.
When a word or syllable beginning with the sound U follows the sound T, a ch sound is formed. Repeat the examples.
Situation, ritual, factual, congratulations, let you, don't you, won't you, can't you, didn't you, wouldn't you.
Practice for mastery. Now read the sentences as you repeat them after the speaker.
The teacher chose Chinese checkers for the children. Charles and Chuck lunched on cheese and chips. Couldn't you eat your lunch and then watch the match? Didn't you watch the speech on Channel 7? I can't let you exchange the watch.
The letter combination CH is silent in the word yacht. Listen and repeat.
Yacht,
To make the sound j, place the center of your tongue against your palate, stop the air completely, then release it abruptly with a voiced sound. Note that the only difference between j and ch is the sound of the voice. Repeat the following words.
Jam, just, ajar, major, germ, gym, agency, region, huge, bridge, judged, edges, soldier.
The sound D followed by U is pronounced J. Repeat the examples.
education, graduate, individual, did you, would you, could you, had you.
Practice for mastery. Now repeat the following sentences.
I wanted you to come to my graduation. Jim's a junior, majoring in education. Would you please register at the gym? Jill, in her jeans, jumped into her Jeep. Janice, did you see the soldier?